Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper dragon puppet. I know the video is a bit long, but still it's for your own good because I'm gonna make everything with paper. I'm not gonna use any like cardboard and glue gun to make big dragon puppets. I'm gonna show you the easiest way on how to make dragon puppets with paper. And also if you have any questions, you can just comment down below. So let's begin to the tutorial. First, you need two white papers. After that, you're gonna take a paper and start folding it. I'm gonna fold it like roughly 3 cm because this is the upper jaw of the dragon puppet and it should be a little bit big. After folding, you're gonna close the remaining paper with a small piece of tape. You can use glue or double-sided tape, but I'm using tape. Now you're gonna take your other piece of paper and start folding it. This is gonna be the bottom jaw of the dragon puppet. So you have to make it a bit smaller than the top jaw. So I'm gonna fold it like 2 cm. And with the same step, you're gonna close the remaining paper with a piece of tape. So this is gonna be the top jaw and this is gonna be the bottom jaw. Now you're gonna take your top jaw of the dragon puppet and fold it in half. Now fold the bottom jaw also. After folding, you're gonna cut a little bit piece of paper at the end. I think I should cut it a little bit more because the bottom jaw should always be smaller than the top jaw. After that, you're gonna take a small piece of paper and close the open parts of the jaws. After that, you're gonna take another piece of paper and fold it in half. Now you're gonna take your top jaw and place it on the paper, and then you're gonna put your 4 fingers inside and measure the size of it, and then mark it with a pencil so you don't forget what the size was. After measuring, you're gonna take scale and draw lines on it so it looks like a triangle. And then draw flaps to the sides. Then you're gonna cut it out and make sure the folded paper is also being cutted. Now you're gonna have two pieces, and also draw lines to the other piece also. Here we go, now we have two triangles. Now you're gonna take one of your piece and cut a little bit from the top. Now you're gonna fold the sides. Now you're gonna take your top jaw, and the full triangle is gonna be for the up part, and the half triangle is gonna be for the down part of the jaw. Now you're gonna take the full triangle piece and stick it to the sides with the help of tape. You can also use double-sided tape or glue. Like this, you're gonna take a small piece of tape, put it on the sides of the triangle, and then you're gonna stick it on the jaw, like I'm doing. Repeat this step until you reach the end part. Like this, you're gonna do the other side also. Do the same thing on the other sides also, so it stays strong. Now do the same thing to the half triangle also. Like this, our top jaw is done. Now do the same thing to the bottom jaw also, but it should be a little bit smaller than the top jaw. But we don't have to cut one of the triangle piece in half like we did to the top jaw. If there is a small piece of paper left at the end, you're just gonna simply cut it off, because we have to make everything equal. If you get this jumpy thing in your jaws, you're just gonna cut a little bit in the middle, not full, and then you're again gonna close it with a small piece of tape like I'm doing. See, the jumpy thing is gone. Finally, our dragon puppet jaws are ready. To stick the jaws together, you're gonna take a small piece of paper, fold it in half, then you're gonna use glue or paper to stick it to each other. First, stick one side of the paper to the top jaw. But when you are about to stick the other side of the paper to the bottom jaw, you're gonna cut it out a little bit because the bottom jaw is smaller than the top jaw, so the paper won't fit in. See, now the paper fits in, otherwise it won't fit in. After gluing, stick these together like I'm doing and press it hard so it won't rip off. To make it more strong, take a small piece of tape and stick it on the paper where you attached the jaws together. After that, you're gonna take a small piece of paper again and glue it on the downside of the dragon puppet. And finally, our dragon puppet base is done. See, we didn't use any cardboard or glue gun to make the dragon puppet base. Now finally the fun part, the dragon design. I designed my dragon by myself because I don't want to copy anyone's design, and I request you guys to please don't copy my dragon design. Please use your guys' own imagination. After drawing your design, you're gonna color it up. And finally, our dragon puppet design is done. You have to make two sides because the dragon puppet has two sides. Now make the design for the bottom jaw also. I have already made one. I'm gonna do the other one in front of you guys. I use alcohol marker, so it's very annoying when the marker's ink goes to the wrong spot. You don't want it. So to remove it, I use white-o. You can use like any white thing just to remove it, but I'm telling you guys my life hack. Now we're gonna make the dragon puppet beads. That's why I cut it a triangle in half for the dragon teeth. It's up to you if you wanna make or not, but I'm making cause it looks very cool and realistic. And then use a small piece of tape and tape it on the both sides so the teeth are strong. And then you're gonna cut it out. You can make as much teeth you want for your dragon. To stick the teeth, you're gonna use a small piece of tape and then stick the teeth sides, the end part of the teeth on the tape and then stick it in the dragon's mouth. Guys, I'm so sorry if I'm explaining very bad, but I think you guys understood what I'm saying. Do the same thing to the other side, and here we go, our teeth are done. See, it looks really cool. It's really up to you if you want to make teeth or not. Now finally the dragon puppet design. So as you know, we are using A4 normal paper, so it's not really much stronger than the thick papers. So to make it stronger, you're gonna use another piece of paper and then with the help of glue you're gonna stick on it like this I'm doing, and then use a scale to press on it, and do the same thing to the other dragon design. Oh my god guys, I'm so bad at speaking. Please don't judge my voice. Like this, your paper is gonna be hard, and now just cut it off. Finally, your dragon designs are done. And now for the bottom jaws also, you're gonna do the same thing as we did earlier. Take another piece of paper and stick them with each other together using glue, double-sided tape, whatever you have, just paste them with each other together to make the paper harder. And then simply cut it off. Guys, finally the last part to stick the designs on the dragon base. I'm using double-sided tape because my dragon base has tape which glue will not work on, so I'm just gonna use double-sided tape. Like this, I'm simply gonna paste the designs on the dragon base. See guys, this side is done. Now do the same thing to the other side also. Guys, I'm so sorry, this is not the last part. You know, in dragon puppets people make foreheads, but I'm not making foreheads because I'm too lazy. And you're just gonna take a small piece of tape and put it on like this I'm doing. Guys, finally our dragon puppet is done. It took me so much time to make it, whatever, it was worth it. See guys, we didn't use any cardboard or glue gun to make big dragon puppets. We already made this whole thing with paper. And yeah, in front it looks really ugly, but I don't care. And yeah, our dragon is done. Now I'm gonna show you every details of the dragon puppet. So yeah, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and bye bye.